Welcome to our channel. If you're planning a trip to Italy, then you're in for a treat. From historic landmarks to breathtaking landscapes, Italy has it all. In today's video, we'll take you through the top 10 best places to visit in Italy. So sit back, relax, and let's explore La Bella Italia. Number 10, Rome, the Eternal City. Starting off with the capital, Rome. Home to the Colosseum, the Pantheon, and the Trevi Fountain, Rome is a must-visit for history lovers. Don't forget to toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain to make a wish. Number 9, Venice, the City of Canals. Venice is pure magic. Hop on a gondola and cruise through the Grand Canal while soaking in the beauty of St. Mark's Square. Mark's Square and the famous Rialto Bridge. It's the ultimate romantic getaway. Number 8, Florence, the cradle of Renaissance. Florence is an art lover's paradise. Home to Michelangelo's David, the Uffizi Gallery, and the breathtaking Duomo, this city is a masterpiece in itself. Number 7, Amalfi Coast, a slice of paradise. Imagine colorful cliffside villages, crystal clear waters, and stunning coastal roads. Number 6, Milan, the fashion capital. Milan is where history meets modernity. Visit the stunning Duomo di Milano, shop at Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, and don't miss Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper. Number 5, Cinque Terre, colorful coastal beauty. Cinque Terre is a dream destination. These 5 picturesque villages along the Italian Riviera are perfect for hiking, photography, and enjoying fresh seafood by the sea. Number 4, Pisa, more than just a leaning tower. Yes, Pisa is famous for its leaning tower, but don't miss the Piazza dei Miracoli and other hidden gems around this charming city. Number 3, Sicily, Island of Wonders. Sicily offers a mix of Greek ruins, stunning beaches, and mouth-watering cuisine. Be sure to visit Mount Etna, Taormina, and the Valley of the Temples. Number 2, Lake Como, the celebrity favorite. Lake Como is a slice of heaven. With its luxurious villas, stunning lake views, and peaceful vibes, it's no wonder celebrities like George Clooney have homes here. Number 1, the Vatican City, the world's smallest country. Last but not least, a trip to Italy isn't complete without visiting the Vatican City. St. Peter's Basilica, the Vatican Museums, and the Sistine Chapel to witness Michelangelo's masterpiece. And there you have it, the top 10 best places to visit in Italy. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel content. See you in the next adventure.